guys, so pulling this straight out of the box, it comes with a little thank you card, which is really cute. Just isolatorfitness.com. Oh, it even has my name on it. Huge shout out to them. Thank you guys so much. I'm so excited. You guys have no idea. I definitely needed a new lunch bag. The bag I have right now, the like netting portion of it has a bunch of holes and stuff in it, and it's just the inside is all beat up. And so yeah, I'm just really excited for this because when you guys look at their website or look at what they stand for, this bag is heavy duty. The material is great. They actually have a lifetime warranty on their zippers and like the fabric and stitching of their bag, so that's really good to know. So if you guys had spent the money on a really nice bag, you know, you want it to last, and it's really nice that they will take care of you if you buy one of their products. So that's really cool. I can already tell already this bag has awesome quality. It's very heavy duty. I can tell it's just like it stands up on its own. It doesn't collapse or anything. Like, it's just really heavy duty. So I just want to look around here and just kind of see what we're working with here. So when you first open this up, it looks like it comes with a shoulder strap, which is nice. It's like here you have some ice packs. And these are really nice to have because I take my lunch to work and I don't like putting a big bag into the work refrigerator because there's not enough room. So this is nice just to freeze these and just put them in between your food and have it pretty much last throughout your whole shift, and you can just grab food out when you need to. Like, they come with some meal prep containers. The fact that it comes with some meal prep containers is really nice because you may buy a bag, but then whatever containers that you're putting inside of it may not fit very well. So these are actually meant for the bag, and it's customized for this bag. So you know it's going to fit, it's going to have room, and it's just very nice and compatible. So I'm just excited that it comes with these. The bag retails for $99, this exact bag. This is the 3 meal bag. They have different sizes, so they have, you know, smaller ones, and they also have a 6 meal bag. So I like big bags. I love fitting a bunch of snacks and food. I'm a very busy person. I'm on the go a lot, and this is nice to take to work or for nursing school and I need to pack a bunch of snacks for the day. For the meal prep containers, they actually are dishwasher and microwavable safe, which is a key thing for me. Meal prep containers, it does come with a 38 ounce, a 28 ounce, 3 16 ounce containers, and then 1 12 ounce. I feel like these are going to be really helpful because I'll have my lunch in here. I'll meal prep a little bit of snacks, or like I'll put a protein bar with like some cuties or whatever in these containers, and I'm so excited for that. Actually, looking inside of the bag here, I didn't realize actually had sent me a Isolator Fitness cup, shaker cup. Of course, it's all black. I love all black. Like, black is my favorite color. So what's nice about this is that it literally fits right in this pocket. So you don't even have to worry about trying to shove it in with your food and stuff. Like, it just has its own compartment, which is really nice. So what's nice about this compartment is I can fit all kinds of cups in here. So I can even put a smaller shaker cup of my choice. I could even put my iced coffee in here without a straw. And you guys, it just fits so perfectly. I'm gonna assume that it keeps things cold because it has kind of like that material on the inside like a cooler does. So guys, I'm so excited. I really want to open up this top part. This is probably gonna be my favorite part, I think, because when you open this up, it has this netting, so I could put my chapstick, or if I need to put my keys right here or anything like that. But the probably most favorite part that I can think of is for snacks or like your protein bars or just anything like quick up here, because you can put this little snack container right up here and it fits perfect. So I'm gonna pack my lunch for work today, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I'm gonna pack up this little bad boy. I feel like too, if this bag is something that you yourself are not interested in, I feel like this would be awesome as a gift. You know, Christmas ideas, you could do it for your significant other. Like, I think I actually might order one for my fiance eventually because he needs a new lunchbox as well. This is just honestly like the perfect bag for someone who's looking to start meal prepping or losing weight, because it comes with everything that you need. has a shaker cup, your lunchbox, meal prep containers, and ice packs, and like that's all you need. So one thing I wanted to mention too, if you guys didn't want to use your shoulder strap, it does have a little handle on the top, so you guys can just carry it like this too. Super, super convenient. So I already have my lunch already packed and ready to go. I just wanted to excuse you. That was my dog sneezing, but I just wanted to quickly, oh my goodness. But I just wanted to show you guys quickly what I have for my lunch. So I do have some fruit that I'm going to be taking with me, an ice pack on the bottom. Are you okay? A protein bar, and then I have protein powder for my shake up top. So that's really nice and convenient. On this pocket here, all I have is just like some work stuff. So, you know, just pens, post-it notes, and then some masks, because I work at a hospital, so. I'll probably put my keys in one of these net pocketings. On the front here, I just have a salad and then a couple snacks to take with me. You know, just some salami, cheese, pickle, and then I have an ice pack here and an ice pack here. Sorry guys, my family is just loud as heck. My dog's sneezing, he's outside mowing and weed eating. But on this side, I just wanted to show you guys that I could fit my shaker cup that has milk in it, almond milk, and then an ice pack fits in there, so that's really nice.